Hello everyone! In today's video, we're gonna share some awesome and really helpful prompts. Believe me, ChatGPT can teach you more than most teachers, but 99% of people never go beyond beginner mode. Here are few ChatGPT prompts to learn literally anything for free. 1. From zero to hero in any topic. Act as my personal tutor and teach me insert topic from beginner to advanced level. Break it into modules, provide learning materials, practical exercise, and quiz me after each stage to ensure mastery. 2. Master any skill 10x faster. Design a step-by-step, 30 days, accelerated learning program for insert skill topic, using active recall, spaced repetition, and real-world practice. Awesome, I'm a complete beginner. Include daily tasks, summaries, and self-assessments. 3. Simulate a real university course. Pretend you are a professor at the top university. Create a full curriculum for insert topic, including syllabus, lectures, summaries, weekly assignments, reading lists, and many projects. Act as my tutor throughout. 4. Learn by teaching. Teach me insert topic by first explaining it in a simple way, then asking me to explain it back to you. Correct my understanding and reinforce weak points until I master it. 5. From books to brilliance. Summaries and teach me the top 5 books on insert topic. Break down key concepts, give practical examples, and design an action plan to apply their lessons in real life. 6. Daily microlearning plan. Create a 15 minutes daily microlearning schedule to master insert topic in the next 60 days. Include short lessons, memory hacks, challenges, and way to stay consistent. 7. Master complex subjects. I want to master insert complex topic like quantum physics, blockchain, and teach it like I'm 12, then gradually level me up. So guys, if you found these prompts helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe us. Stick around for the next helpful video. Thanks for watching.